We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. Here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. having a full transition here from red bars to bright green bars, breaking back up towards resistance and staying above 30 cents, right? The fight continues. It wasn't the only stock experiencing volatility and pushing up higher. The overall market and the SPY did as well. And our SPY buy at 8:40 a.m. sent out a bull indicator, and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision into the bell and after the bell, and call options went up 300% plus within minutes, guys. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our bots and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. trying to fight and stay above 30 cents here, closing out at 33. And we're going to talk about what's going on within the charts and the inflow versus outflow and bull and bear indicators. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunity that was mentioned this morning over at the Discord. So the home run of the day was spectacular and beyond expectations. And if you guys want to know about these stocks early on and receive this clarity and edge of the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to our Discord. And by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So the home run of the day was from our Tesla bot. Our Tesla bot sent out a bull indicator at 9:40 a.m. and from that moment forward, inflows crossed the midpoint to the upside, full strength there on 42 vision, and call options went up 500% plus within an hour, guys. And as you see, they're popping up within the screen on the options chain. Some options even went higher than that. If you guys want to receive this clarity and edge over the charts, you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. We look forward to having you join us, and we strive for opportunities like these every single day. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. doing a full transition yesterday from bright green to red bars, and now we hit a full transition from red to bright green. If it's your first time coming across the channel, this is 42 vision, which allows us to see the dips from the rips to the dips, and where the strength and weakness lies within the charts. And we also use our bull and bear indicators and inflow versus outflow as an extra layer of confirmation, which I'm going to pull up here, and you can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator, getting connected over to the Discord, getting connected over to our bots, and becoming part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together by receiving this clarity and edge over the charts and using these resources to maximize in either direction, whether stocks are going up or going down. And in today's video, I'm going to pull up the inflow versus outflow indicator, which adds that extra layer of confirmation and gives us that edge within the volatility. So here we are with MULLEN stock, Mullen Automotive Inc. with inflows crossing over the midpoint and back under a bull indicator, canceling yesterday's bear indicator and outflows, guys. Lots of volatility here, but fighting to stay above 30 cents. As we could see, the bulls continue to put up a fight, but it continues to reject key resistance levels up here at 35 cents. Now, it's currently sitting at 33 cents. I'm going to share with you guys what are the key levels I would watch and what it is that I would watch here within the charts. So the first thing is, in the 30-minute time frame, we could see that the inflows are above the midpoint and we have a bull indicator here. We would like to see these inflows continue to the upside for this strength to continue to retest higher levels and resistance levels that we see here within the chart and even above that, right? We do not want these inflows to lose traction, because if it crosses to the downside, it can quickly start to reflect into the chart and cancel out eventually this bull indicator, followed by a bear indicator, and test newer lows, right? Or even support levels. Now, let's go ahead and zoom in here and look at this on the 15-minute chart. So on the 15-minute, we could see a little bit more of the volatility here. And as we could see here, it got a bull indicator in the first half of the day, and it's under a bear indicator here towards the end of the day at 33.21, and it got a bull indicator here at 32 cents. And you could see those inflows versus outflows in both extremities. So right now, a lot of volatility here on the 15-minute, and it's going to be crucial here for these inflows to cross back over and actually start showing that strength, retesting resistance, canceling out this bear indicator, and getting a bull indicator in the process with that strength, and continuing from dark green to bright green bars. That's going to be crucial, because if that bear indicator continues to stay in play and continues to dominate over this chart, and these outflows continue to pull away from the midpoint to the downside, it's going to be critical that that could roll over into the 30-minute chart, as right now we're under a bull indicator and staircasing if it could find support and bounce back up and stay above the midpoint, because that weakness on the 15-minute outflows and bear indicator can then roll over into the 30-minute, and if this crosses, it could quickly start to reflect into the chart and get this bull indicator to end up getting canceled. And if we zoom out and look at this from the 1 hour chart, we could go ahead and see here, and we've actually looked at this together in previous videos, that yes, we're under a bull indicator since way down here at 28 cents. Staircase effect is forming, but these outflows have been dominating even when it ran way back here on December 28th and 29th, followed by that bull indicator from 20 cents all the way up to 47, and all throughout the volatility, the outflows have been red and below the midpoint. So it's going to be crucial, if this strength continues and we continue to push up higher, for these inflows to eventually, even if they don't cross over, because it's not guaranteed, at least switch from red to green to start reflecting some of that strength, followed by the strength on the chart. And eventually, if it could cross over, well, the last time it crossed over was way back here in October, the 2 times when it ran up from 22 cents to 45 cents, and from 33 all the way up to 64. Now, it's not guaranteed to do the same exact move, but something to not overlook and not ignore. Right now, the outflows in the bigger picture, though, continue to dominate since the volatility even in December from 20 cents to 47. Now, here we are with the 30-minute pulled up, and the key levels I would watch are first the support levels. The first support is 30 cents, and then below that, if that gets broken through, I would watch 28 cents and how these outflows versus inflows react. Do they cross to the downside and continue to get pulled down with the 15-minute as we see it under that bear indicator, or will it actually start to hold up, pull upwards, and then retest the highs up here of the day of 35 cents, and then above that comes 38, and I would watch 40-cent area. Those are the critical levels I'm watching to the upside and to the downside. We want to see these inflows pick back up on the 15-minute as we're slightly below it, and go back up over the midpoint, cancel out this bear indicator, and continue strong on the 30-minute with this staircase effect and also these inflows above the midpoint. As always, guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.